8. Factors to consider when designing an earthing system. 1. Soil resistivity. The ability of the soil to conduct electricity directly impacts the effectiveness of the earthing system. Higher resistivity requires more or deeper electrodes. Moist soil generally has lower resistivity than dry soil. Seasonal variations, wet versus dry seasons, should also be considered. 2. Earthing system type. Different earthing systems, TN, TT, IT, are chosen based on the specific requirements of the electrical installation and local regulations. The selection impacts protection coordination and fault clearance times. 3. Conductor size and material. The earthing conductor must be capable of safely carrying fault currents without overheating. Copper, aluminum, and galvanized steel are common materials. The size must meet standards, e.g., IEC 60364, IEE 80, and be calculated based on the fault current level and duration. 4. Environmental factors. Conditions such as humidity, temperature extremes, water table level, and presence of corrosive elements, e.g. the salt, acids, can impact both the material choice and the installation method. Proper coatings, cathodic protection, or corrosion-resistant materials should be considered. 5. Safety considerations. The system should be designed to minimize touch and step voltages, particularly around areas accessible to personnel. Equipotential bonding and correct placement of earth electrodes help maintain safe potential gradients. 6. Earth electrode design and placement. The type, rod, plate, strip, grid, and configuration of electrodes, depth, spacing, layout, greatly influence the overall resistance. Proper placement avoids interference from nearby installations or underground services. 7. Testing and maintenance. Design should allow for periodic testing of earth resistance and condition of electrodes and conductors. Access points and documentation should be part of the installation. 8. Compliance with standards. Ensure design follows relevant national and international standards, e.g., IEE 80, BS 7430, IS 3043, IEC 60364, as per desired. To know more, visit our website, www.manofenergy.com. For more info, do visit our media pages.